Hi students, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. In last class, we saw the first two paras of Former's friend. Let I read the paras. After that, I move to the next two paras. Okay. Read with me. Often seen as felt, but gives the soil good health. To reward the farmer with wealth. Plows the soil before farmer. Use not the chemicals to harm her. Please praise our motherland's armor. Today we will see the next two paras, okay? Shall I start? Shy to show his looks. Why he is very shy? Who is very shy to show his looks? The earthworm. The earthworm is very shy. Why it feels shy? Because it is a filth, right? We consider it as a filth, so it is very shy to show its looks, to appear to human. To it feels very shy to show his looks. Did you understand the line? As the earthworm is very filth, we consider it as a filth, we consider it as a dirt. It feels shy to appear in front of humans' eyes. Okay, shy to show his looks. Toils often on fishing hooks. Toils means to work hard. It often works on fishing hooks. We use earthworms to catch fishes. The fisherman uses earthworm to catch fishes. So it works for the fisherman too. Okay. So toils often on fishing hooks. Fishing hooks. Toils mean work. To give the fishes something to cook. After the fisherman catches the fish, he cook the fish, right? He cook the fish. So it gives food to fisherman. The earthworm works hard to give food to the fisherman. Did you understand? The earthworm is working very hard to give food to the fisherman. So what is the first line? Shy to show his looks. Why it is very shy? Because we consider it as a filth, so it feels shy to show his looks. After that, toils often on fishing hooks. It works hard on the fisher hooks to give food to the fisherman. Did you understand? Read with me. Shy to show his looks. Toils often on fishing hooks to give the fisher something to cook. Be humble like a worm. Think no one to harm. You will be free to spread your charm. What is the meaning of humble? Humble means what? The meaning of humble is not to be proud. The earthworm helps the fisherman, helps the farmers, but it is never feel proud. It is very humble. Okay, be humble like a worm. Like the earthworm, we should be very humble. We should not be proud of our. If you may win, you may be studying very well. You should not be proud of that. Okay, you should be very humble. Be humble like a worm. Think no one to whom. Does earthworm harms anyone? No, it never harms anyone. It always helps the farmers, help the fisherman. So think no one to harm. You will be free to spread your charm. When you are humble like a worm and when you hurt no one, you will be spreading happiness. Charm means happiness. You will be spreading happiness to all peoples. From this poem, what do you understand? The earthworm is considered as a very filth. It considered as a filth, but it never fails to do its duty. Even though human consider it as a filth, it helps the farmers for their wealth. It helps the fishermen for their food. It is humble. See the good characters of the earthworm. The poet is from this poem. The poet is saying to be humble, like a to help everyone, to help everyone. Don't worry about your looks. Don't worry how your physical appearance, don't worry about that, but help everyone. So help everyone and be humble. When you're helping, don't be proud that you are helping. Be humble. Nowadays you see politicians, right? You see politicians, after they give a help the poor, they will be taking photos and pasting the newspapers. They are not humble, right? So don't be proud of what you're doing. Be humble like a worm. Think no one to harm. You should not harm no one. And when you're following these characters, you will be automatically spreading the happiness around the people. Okay, this is the this is what the poet is trying to say from this poem. I hope you understood this poem very well. Once again, I will read the full poem. You will read with me. Okay. Farmer's friend, often seen as felt, but gives the soil good health. To reward the farmer with wealth, plows the soil before farmer. Use not the chemicals to harm her. Please praise your motherland's armor. Shy to show his looks, toils often on fishing hooks. To give the fisher something to cook, be humble like a worm. Think no one to harm. Will be free to spread your charm. Okay, this is a memory poem, students. So you have to also study this poem. Okay, thank you, students.